So after OEM app, I want to show you something about the help center. So firstly, it's about the documents. We have a document center. There are a lot of menus to show you how to work on IoT platform, how to create the OEM app, or how to solve the problems. Also, if that doesn't help, you can raise help at technical support. Also, we would have instant message to serve you in a group if you have value-added service or technical support needed. And for our VIP customers, we will have our project manager to follow up your projects. Okay, I'll show you the entrance. So here you can see, this is entrance for documents. You can see all of the instructions here for different parts. So the OEM app update instruction, you can also find it here. It's quite simple. And also, this is entrance for technical support. Click Ask and input your questions here. Upload attachment if you have any. And remember, if it's product related, enter the product's PID and device ID. This will help us to locate your problem. And if it's app problem, remember to link to which app you meet problems, and then submit. We will have support team working 24/7 for you. And also, this bell named IM is instant message created by our team. This is the place where we can communicate with you to serve you on value-added service or technical support. Okay. So that's all for today's content. Thanks for your time, and any questions? Let's check out the questions.
It seems Noah have answered most of the questions. Yeah. Noah.
I have question. I have a question. Yay!
Hello.
Hello, Alicia. How are you?
Hello, Stefan.
I was seeing that you already have the TUIA app for version 3.16 blah 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 something, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Mine is yet at my OEM app is on the 3.15.
3.15.
To update it,
Mm-hmm.
I just have to press the button for update.
Mm-hmm.
There is a and then the template is going to be updated to my OEM app, and then after some time it will appear for the users, right?
Yeah.
In the app service, right?
If you have already launched the app to App Store, you will have to create new versions.
No. Mine is already published at the Apple Store and Google Play.
Yeah.
What I see in my platform, my page here, I see that there is a select template. I have template version 3.16.5.
Yeah.
And a button saying update. So if I press this button, it's gonna be update the template for my OEM app.
Well,
just do this.
Because for version control on App Store, if you have already uploaded like this version,
yes,
you can't upload the same version again. So you need to create a version.
Oh, okay. So I have to create a new version of the app.
Yes, this is for the version control.
Okay, mine is in 1.03, I think. I have 3 versions of the app already.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, I did some updates.
Okay.
Yeah, my version is 1.0.3.
1.0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I have 10 versions creation times for today and 30 version creation times for the current month.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, German asked a question about our schedule time. So our webinar begins the same time each Thursday, okay? So it should be 11 CST. Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad that
I think the problem is I think the problem is that CST right now, I think it's daylight saving time, right?
CST.
In Central
Yeah, Central America
Central
time.
time. Yeah, Central American time. I think they are already in daylight saving time. So that's why they move it 1 or 2 hours after the time that was the first session, like 4 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, the first one that we have was from here in Brazil. It was 11 a.m. Right now it's on 1 p.m. So it's 2 hours after the first one. That's
okay, really?
get everybody confused.
Okay, we will check this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm so glad that you have built your OEM app now, and I hope you can play around with the app, because in Chinese we say practice makes perfect. So if you have more problems, you can just raise it here. Okay. No one has answered all of the questions.
Yeah, and then asked a question just now. What is the cost to create our OEM app?
Okay, to create a test version, it takes no money. But if you want to release it to App Store, you need to purchase the OEM app service. So we would have all of this. We would have all of the price once you click the purchase. Or we have an entrance for value-added service. Oops, sorry. You can see for OEM app, for app launch, we also provide service for app launch if you are not familiar with it.
Yeah.
And also for OEM app upgrades. That is to submit update version to App Store. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Any other problems? Did you unmute? No need to unmute, right?
Yeah. Okay. You can also unmute yourself and just speak out if you have any questions.
Yeah, I have a question. Let's say I want to use the current Tuya app and just put my logo on, and I want to keep all the same functions and all that. The same. I just want to change the logo to my business logo. How do I do that? I go to the app service and do the request, or?
Okay. We provide more functions, but if you like only to change the logo, it's fine. I'm glad that you like our app. Oh, my
yeah, I love it. And
Thank
I
you.
think I use it quite a bit, and I'd like now to kind of put my logo on it and keeping the same function for now. I'm not saying I will keep that forever, but for now, that'll be what I would be using. So the only thing I would do is like to do what you did earlier, or what you showed earlier, which is just select the app image and put my logo on it, and that's it.
Yeah, sure. You also you can update on the product list as well. I just introduced, because Tuya Smart supports a lot of devices. Yeah, you may like to shrink the product list to be more friendly to your end users. Here.
Yeah. Okay. So I can do that as well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Strap store and confirm myself. Do you know if there is any cost? Okay. Google Play and Apple developer accounts. Do you have it already? Because, yeah. Thanks, Noah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what if I can my app be using multiple languages like French? And let's say I have customers that are French only speaking people. Can I have a selection as when the customer logs in, then it will be in French and, or in English, depending on the customers that I'm working with?
Yep, you can. But on IoT platform, the multi-language is only for the device list, the product list. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want to change other strings, like I introduced, there are two options. Sorry, let me find it. So two options here. See, if you want to change all of the languages, you ask a project manager to provide you the full string list. So you can do the translation, or you can check if we have already have the translation. And then we can import it to you. Okay.
Okay. And how do I contact, or do I get in touch with the project manager? Is it the...
Contact BD. He will.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. Okay. Any more questions?
Hello, I have a question because an app that we already have our own app, the one that we programmed with Tuya platform. And I don't know why, but it's been in process of releasing and it hasn't released yet. Is there a way that we can know if there's something missing from the app that makes it not to be released? Or is there a long time normally for the apps to be released?
How long have you submit?
I think that maybe 1.5 months, 2 months.
1.5 months. For iOS or Google Play?
For Google Play.
For Google, well, there is indication on Google Play that it may take long time than before, but 1.5 months is quite long. Have you contacted it? Have you contact with them? And if you have received an email on the problems, because normally if there is some problems during the app review, they will send you.
Okay, so I need to contact Google Play directly. It's not with you?
Yes. Okay. No. We are not the reviewer.
Okay. Okay. Yep, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Any more questions?
Hello, Alicia. I have a question. In Colombia, we already have a OEM app. If I want to change the logo to the different seasons, for example, in Christmas, can I change the logo only to these seasons and have some cost, or is free?
Sorry, you want to change the logos for which part?
For Christmas, for example, or for different seasons in the year.
For device?
You mean add some Christmas images on your
Yes,
on your
yes.
app? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's free. We can change the logo wherever we want.
If your app is released in App Store, you need to update the app. So
okay.
So, okay, but do you want to push advertisements, or you want to simply change your logo? Because
Only temporarily. Can I change temporarily the logo and put another one and change again to the original?
Okay, you can do it, but if your app released in App Store, you will need to do app updates. So
okay. I need a new version.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
If you
Hi.
want to push advertisements, we have operations too. So message here, you can create notifications to push to your end customers. Sorry, I haven't. Oh, okay, here. I think it's useful for Christmas. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Any ask questions?
Hi, Alicia. Hi,
Hello.
Alicia. It's not like a question, but
Mhm.
here in Brazil, there is a thing. We in our app, we have the weather in the activated, right? So people can see the weather in the app. The thing is, there is a word that's translated here in Portuguese that it's wrong to Brazilian Portuguese. And I don't know who I have to talk to change this, because humidity in Brazilian Portuguese, there is no H in the beginning. So
Okay.
it gets wrong.
It's only for the weather dashboard?
Yes, just for the weather dashboard.
Okay.
I don't think that, I did the translation, the strength translation, you know, like, I can't remember, I think it was 30,000 lines. I'm not sure. It's a very huge Excel spreadsheet. Okay, very, very huge.
Okay.
It's really huge. So
Okay.
I did it, and the thing is, after we did the translation, we got this humidity word still wrong. So I don't know with when I can talk to change this for the Brazilian Portuguese. I'm not sure if it's correct in Portuguese from Europe, but in Brazil there is no H in the beginning of the word. So I need to change this, and I'm getting crazy about this.
Okay.
I just need to talk with someone.
I understand. Because the weather information comes from the third party, Dark Sky, and the text, some of the text comes from the website. But in our team, we are working on to develop a translation part for the weather. So if you have this need, just send us a screenshot and the correct translation. But honestly, I can't promise you the time because it's based on the translation tool development. But we will, yeah.
Thank you.
Hope it helps. Okay.
Yeah. It seems Philip has another question.
Okay. Complete add-ons only when there's new version following up. If you want to update your app with new logo or with new settings, you can also update the version based on the same Tuya version too. But we provide improved versions maybe in every month. So you can also follow with the Tuya apps update too. Okay, Philip?
Hi, Alicia.
Hello, Luis.
Hello. Well, I have a question. What's the name of the package that you told us the session before to launch the app with you? They say that package have a name. I don't remember. I don't quite remember right now.
So last session or?
Yeah, they say you got like a package to launch your OEM app in both platforms, just like Apple or Google Play Store. You have a name for that service, and you provide that service to launch the app.
Oh, you mean the app launch service? Sorry,
yes, exactly.
Sorry, I got it wrong. I thought it was the bundle ID you are asking. So
no.
No, yeah, check it on value added service. Yeah, we have app launch service here. Is it what you are asking?
Yes, but it's in yuans.
Sorry.
What could be the price in dollars?
Oh,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's $300.
300. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Oh, thank you for pointing it out. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay.
Great
Okay.
presentation, Alicia. Thank you.
Hello, Dan. Okay. Since we still have time, I want to show you something about the operation and data as well. If you have attended the session for IoT platform, you may be very familiar with this part. So on Operation Center and Data Center, if you own the app under your IoT platform, you will have all of the user data, the user communication, like the app registration, all of the data that belongs to you. Yeah? Okay. Okay, it's a time issue. Okay, we will check it. Oh, time issue. All right. So we will check it. We will check it. Sorry for it.
For Brazil, it was it was correct time. It's 1 p.m. 13 in our country, but it's the beginning. I think it's. I always get in the room like.
Oh yeah, right. Because we
earlier, so so it's the correct time for Ana. I think Ana Silva.
Okay.
It was the correct time.
Thank you, Sergio. Thank you, Alicia. Right.
Okay. So, well, it seems that all of you are experts now. I'm glad. Okay. So,
Yeah.
If no more questions,
Let's call it a day.
And okay, so this is a preview of next session. Next session is our 5th session, and the topic is how to customize your own app. So all of these functions are on top are more than the OEM app. And our lecturer will be Noah Lee. She is a project manager for Eurasia area, and she has already answered a lot of your questions today.
Yeah, and we hope everyone will have a good time also next week. And thank you, Alicia, for your time.
Thank you.
And if you have any questions, I also leave my email at chat box. You can email me at any time, okay? So everyone, goodbye and be safe. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you.